In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Nintendo cannot make purchase. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is check your Nintendo account status. Go to account.nintendo.com and log in to check if there are any restrictions with your account. If not, you want to go to Nintendo eShop, account information, and then your payment method in order to go ahead and check if you have a valid payment and make sure that it is up to date and not expired yet. Remove and re-add your payment if needed. Also, check your funds. Make sure that you have enough funds, because if you don't, then of course it is going to go ahead and tell you it cannot make purchase. Finally, go to status.nintendo.com to check if the server is up and running. If not, there's nothing you can do but wait. Also check your date and time zone. Make sure that synchronized clock via internet is turned on from these settings right over here. You want to check your internet connection as well and restart your router if the connection is unstable. If none of it works, try a different payment method. I hope this video clarifies everything for you.